Today's what, babe?
I don't know if it's
Today's April 15th. Look who's here with me. Yes, my darling. We're in Ocherios right now. A place that's Lime Hall. Yeah, that's over there. We're taking a beautiful walk down the hill. Look on the scenery. Beautiful. I don't know how people don't like country. I live where you vacate. A bay. A bay. And I just come spend a little time with the wifey, you know, cause I have to work it, you know, try work it. She come, me come to work, I know everything. Yeah. Oh, by the way, babe, let them see the hands again.
what?
Man, she be capping like she ain't want to go shows these guys her fingers. Let me go twangs. Yeah, we're taking a walk. We're taking no time walk.
Be also over there, so.
Be also over there, so. And I put it over there because I don't want nobody to shoot. Alright, we're having a moment, so. Sure, we have a moment, so. Just go and join with the boy.
Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up. Head a rest on my shoulder, me and her cuddle up.
Split in the middle. Got badly. Fuel. Got Alicia. AK Felicia. Got Dan. Don't call her no big band. Got Miss Honest. Woo, headache. But I still love her anyway. She crazy, but she my crazy lady. We got Rob. Hey. Here we are at the beach though. She said her sign was I'm right here.
Oh!
So we have to deal with behind the scenes. But none of see. Remember me not edit out none of this. Wow! Not accident, no car no involved. Got general insurance. Wow! Yeah! Flop, by the beach. Yeah. We having fun. Look. I live where you vacate, man. Going in the water, man. Going in the water, we go in the water. Hold it from this angle. Can't show baby sinus in it because you know YouTube they be tripping. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. This is nice. This is really nice. This is nice. Yeah. Here we go. Rub down my chest, baby. It feels so good. Oh God. Taking a mud bath. If you guys can hear us, I hope you guys can hear us. Because you know the breeze will blow in. Yeah, we're just here, guys.
Just one shop.
What you say? I'll be the second Christ be walking on the water. And God, you know me love you. I'll be walking my way to Kingston, walking my way back home. Palm water top, shark look back at me, run me down. Yeah, that's beautiful. Alright guys.
I wish you could be over there, we could have walked on the rocks.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, because we have on the crocs, baby. Now we have baby sinus with us, so we can't do adventurous go certain places. So yeah, so guys, we are having fun. Today, unfortunately, is the last day of our little vacation. So enjoying myself before we go back home. Sigh. I'm done. Oh! Oh! Yeah, but over there now. Yeah, guys, today's the last day of our little mini vacation. Right beside us. It was nice. Nice little location. Yeah, it was, yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think the hardest part of something. Yeah, I think we have people watching us, guys. Some people, you know what I mean? Some fun. I think so.
I want to feel that just before I not even in the home, buddy.
Anyway, well, girl, me there. Just go and enjoy myself and think me there. Yeah. Just there, I go and take it easy, man. It was a cool vacation.
Look at this nasty one.
You nasty. You nasty. See
I'm
how
going
that?
to just throw you in the water.
See that? It's fast, son. Bam. It's fast, man. It's
Water
baby, son.
warm.
Yeah, nice.
So then they need them.
Yeah. Today's Monday. And then thing. But they have vlog where we'll just go on easy and chill. And thing.
They hear me. No.
Oh my god. I really hope they didn't hear you. But they have man vlog girl, I go and take it easy. Go and enjoy yourself. And then I think we have 2 hours left before we leave. Yeah, so but there it was fun. I'll go and stay tuned. Much more to come. Yeah, out there. So let's go and journey with your boy. Sign us. Here we are. Here ready. Already. Ready to head out now. Sad moment. For now. But don't worry. We're leaving our house. It was dope. Don't worry, they didn't see that. You guys don't want to see that. Yeah, man, we're leaving our house right now. It was cool. It was dope. Yeah, man, we had fun. Great weekend. And thing. Yeah. Put everything together and just ready up. Why are you moving your bag so fast? The person not reach yet? Look at this dude. Yeah. There, man. Yeah. Gonna miss this place.
Oh my goodness, guys. You didn't believe what he just did.
Tell him what you say.
No?
I'm sure you guys heard that. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, so we're there. It's been a great moment, a great vacation. And thing. We're there, just a settling. Preparing to leave. We don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. Just doing some last minute check-ins around the place. Make sure we have everything. And we don't leave anything behind. Everything is here. Baby, have everything. Check the bed. Soda. Everything. Check on the that.
Babe, I think you should go tell Jigsy that we're leaving.
Yeah, mom, I tell Jigsy say what should. Yeah. And thing with there. Yeah. What? Anyway, peeps, we're there. We're going to wait on the cab and thing. So let's go and journey the boy. Yeah, vlog world. So here I am heading back home. Kingston. Yeah. Don't want to go home, but you don't know. Yeah. From the vacay. Yeah, and nuts for the express and thing. Yeah. Back to reality. But and I thank you guys very much for watching this vlog with me. It was really fun, you know. Really had fun. Shout out to the whole Sinus crew. Shout outs to DVR crew. Shout out to Psychotic Genius and the whole crew. Yeah. Shout outs to everybody, man. It was dope. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So much little content to put up. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah. Medea. Well, it was tired. Cannot tell you guys, but I had fun. It was a good exclusive time for me and Miss Sinus to catch up away from the world. From the non-traditional hotel. You know what I mean? It felt peaceful. I felt as if we were in our own home. You know, having fun. And just living. And thing. Yeah, man. I hate goodbyes, but it's not a goodbye. It's just a next time, you know. And as you not call it, just go and journey with your boy, as I wanna say, you know. Yeah, sucks, and I hate it also. But yeah, miss Mums and miss Leisha Sinus, miss Mommy Sinus, miss Den Sinus, miss my baby Sinus, miss, yeah, miss Sinus too, and everybody, you know. Yeah, but I'm there, big up on yourself. I don't want to get teary eye and thing, but yeah, I'm there. And when you just go and journey with your boy, I shoot.
We'll find a queen, Jane.